Okay, well, we just had another big rain, like an inch, I think over an inch, just 1 hour. You can see the floodwater puddles in the alley are back. Well, they're a little bit after last night's rain. You can see the clover too. There's some plants in the alley too, and maybe some I'll go over them. I want this to be a quick one, because we already did one earlier today, about 5 hours ago. Let's do this quickly lot. This is kind of earlier. We got a lot of wind too. Try to do another one either tomorrow or Friday. Have to see how things go. It's a lily. I'm not going to do the front yard at all in this garden video. It's going to be a strictly backyard video. There's the roses and string. Do this. I think this might be, what else, like hummingbird flowers that kind of look like lilies. And they bloom like late summer, like July, August. We're still in June. Still in June now. Well, this is getting a bud. I never noticed that before. I haven't looked at these trees too much. The fall is supposed to be cool after the rain, but usually it is, but